Have you ever looked up at the night sky, spotted that tiny red dot, and wondered, why aren't we there yet? For decades, Mars has been the next frontier. We conquered the moon over half a century ago using computers less powerful than a modern toaster. So, what's the holdup? Is it a lack of will? Or is the red planet protecting itself with death traps we can't bypass yet? Today we're breaking down the brutal reality of why landing on Mars is still the greatest challenge in history. The first obstacle is invisible: space radiation. On Earth, our magnetic field acts as a shield. But once you leave Earth's orbit, you enter a shooting gallery of galactic cosmic rays. During the months-long journey, astronauts would face radiation levels that drastically increase the risk of cancer and brain damage. We currently can't build a spacecraft light enough to fly, yet thick enough to stop these high-energy particles. Essentially, the trip itself could be a slow motion. Death sentence before the crew even sees a Martian sunrise. Then, there's the distance. The moon is a 3-day hop away. Mars? That's a grueling 7 to 9 month voyage one way. Possible only when the planets align every 26 months. Imagine being cramped in a space no larger than a studio apartment for nearly a year. You must carry every drop of water and every breath of oxygen. There are no resupply missions. If a life support component breaks 6 months in, there is no turning back. It's a psychological and mechanical pressure cooker we haven't fully mastered. Landing on Mars is a nightmare of physics. On Earth, we use parachutes. On the moon, we use rockets. Mars is the worst of both worlds. Its atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's, too. Thin for parachutes to slow down. A heavy human lander, but thick enough to create extreme heat that could burn the ship apart. This is the dead zone. We've landed small rovers, but a human ship would weigh 20 times more. Currently, we lack the technology to land that much weight safely without creating a massive crater. Does this mean we've given up? Far from it. Right now, Mars is inhabited entirely by robots. High-tech residents, like the Perseverance and Curiosity. Rovers are constantly mapping the surface. NASA eyes the late 2030s for a crewed mission, while SpaceX pushes for an ambitious window in the late 2020s with Starship. The goal is now Mars Base Alpha, a self-sustaining colony where humans live in pressurized domes and produce their own fuel from Martian soil. Mars is trying to kill us with radiation, distance, and a razor-thin atmosphere. But humans are obsessed with the impossible. What do you think? Will Elon Musk's Starship touch down first? Or will NASA's steady approach win the race? Let me know your theories in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep exploring the cosmos with me. Thanks for watching.